Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make Google your default search engine back again on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. So as you can see, we're on my home tab here in Mozilla Firefox, and for the sake of another tutorial, I changed to Bing as my default search engine here in Firefox. And now I would like to return to Google as my main search engine on Firefox. This is how you can do it, guys. All you need to do is access your browser settings by clicking into these lines in the top right. Click into settings here, and inside your browser settings, make sure that you access the search options. And here under default search engine, simply switch back to Google, and that is going to do the job here. You don't need to save anything here manually, guys. If I return to my home tab, as you can see, Google will be again the main search engine. You can also refresh the page, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.